Okay, eyes on the board. Eyes on the board. Again. Solid can have many different properties, okay? And now, solid can be large. Ano yun? Solid can be large or? Okay, ano yun? Solid can be large and? Okay, they come in many different shapes and? Shapes and? Colors. Okay, so you can bend and what? Put some solid. Okay, also solid might feel what? How to read this one? Eyes on the board. Okay, or smooth. Okay, solid also can be what? Long or short. Okay, very good. Mapita, mag-quiz ako.